Libra Chicas, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. And for today, I have an unboxing video. So a company named Silviax Jewelry reached out to me and wanted to send me a few of their jewelry pieces. So I'm super excited to do this unboxing. Here's the package right here, and I'm gonna show you what the quality is like, what it looks like on me, what it feels like, and all of that. They carry all kinds of necklaces, and they also carry them in like different materials. So you can get a copper that's like plated in a gold or a silver, or you can get sterling silver. There's different options, and it's definitely affordable if you get the copper. So it looks just as beautiful from what I saw on the website. But if you want to be more expensive, you can also get sterling silver. So I like how there's options. And ooh, this packaging is super cute. So this is the packaging. Of course, I'm gonna have their website linked below in the description box, and I will link the necklaces that I chose in the description box. So I have two here to show you guys. So they're just like little white boxes. Silviax personalized jewelry, and this is the greatest part about it, is because you can customize it. You can put your name on there, you can put your zodiac sign, you can put the year you were born. I mean, you can do so many things. You can put baby or queen. So it just opens just like this. Ooh, there's a nice little cloth here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so also you guys, there are tons of different styles that you can choose from. You don't have to get the style that I got. There's different fonts and sizes and styles that you can choose from, so you can really fit it to your personality, which I think is so awesome. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I decided to put my full name, Christian, instead of Chris, because I felt like Chris would be too small. Okay, so I decided to get this necklace in a gold color. This is the copper gold color, and I have always wanted a nameplate necklace. Always. I've always wanted one. They're so chola, like they're so Mexican. Like, I don't know, it just makes me feel like, it makes me feel my Mexican side a lot, okay? But anyways, there is links here, so you can fit different neck sizes, and also you can have it tighter or looser. Another thing that's so great about these personalized necklaces is you get to choose the length of them. So there's different inches that you can choose from. I think there's 3 different options for lengths. I chose the middle option for this one, I believe. Of course, I'll write it right here because it was a while ago that I ordered it, so I don't remember, but I think this is 18 inches if I'm not mistaken. So as y'all can see, this one is a more dainty, smaller piece, and I love it. I didn't want anything like too huge and crazy. I really want it to be like feminine. I think this is so adorable, and it looks good with this top too. Like, this is really, really cute. This is such a look. This is gonna be like my everyday necklace, and at the bottom there's a little heart, so I just thought it was so cute. It's giving me those like Y2K vibes. I'm in love. This is very, very adorable. I think the chain is the perfect size. I also think this part is not too thick or not too thin. It feels like sturdy enough, but still dainty enough to feel super feminine. So I really love this piece, and let's try on the second piece. This one, I know I ordered in a silver because I wanted it for like matching different outfits. Sometimes I wear gold, sometimes I wear silver. It really depends. And this, I believe, is a little cloth to like, you know, shine it up. Oh, I love this. Okay, so this is my birth date, my birth year, 1989. Of course, I had to do it. I love this old English writing. It looks like a tattoo. had to do it, and I felt like this one would be more appropriate in silver. Okay, I'm so excited to put this one on. I'm just gonna put it on with this also just so you can see the different lengths, because I'm pretty sure I got this one in a 20-inch. I wanted this one to be a little longer, so I got the longer option. Yes. So this is the length of the 20-inch. Oh, I like that. That's gonna look really good with t-shirts too. Okay guys, so those are the necklaces. I think they're so cute. I just love how they're customizable. You can make them anything you want. This one, you know, you can write queen, you could write baby girl, you could write your name, you could write your nickname, your last name, your boo's name. You can do so many things. They also have earrings, and you can put names or words in the earrings, which is definitely something I want to get eventually. But I love this. This is so cute. And you know, this feels sturdy. This feels like it's not gonna bend. This one feels super sturdy. Even though it's small, it has a thickness. Do you see? It has a thickness, so it is sturdy. Very sturdy. These are so cute, and I love that it comes with this because you can just wipe off your fingerprints. You can just carry one of these in your purse. And they're so shiny. Like when I go back and forth like this, it really catches the light. This is a staple necklace for basics. I absolutely love wearing big baggy t-shirts and biker shorts and just like pizzazzing it up with accessories. And I feel like these kinds of necklaces, like layered, you can layer it with some other gold or silver jewelry that you already have, like chokers and stuff. Layered with a big baggy t-shirt, it just looks so good. So I know I'm gonna get so much wear out of these necklaces. These are so cute. This is making me feel like a badass bee. And you know that's my favorite way to be, okay? So if you guys are interested in checking out any of the jewelry from Silviax Jewelry, because they have tons of options. They have so many things there, you guys. You have to check their website out. I will link it below for you, of course. And if you guys are interested in purchasing any of Silviax Jewelry pieces, there is a discount code you can use. It's LA10 for 10% off of your order. It is not a commission code or link or anything. It's just simply so that you guys can save some coin and check out some really cute pieces. These have been coming back into style, guys. These are very popular nowadays, just like they were decades ago. I'm so glad it's back because I absolutely love it. And I'm wearing one of these tonight. So I just can't decide which one, but I'm gonna wear one of these tonight. And I already know I'm gonna have everybody saying, oh my God, where'd you get your necklace? It's so cute. Because it is. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I hope that I put you on to something. So link and discount code will be in the description, as well as everything else I have down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more hauls and unboxings, because that's what I do best. Bye.